Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mr. Gaming Boy Gaurav. So, guys, in today's video, I wanted to tell you that um, we this I have more to tell though, but the first topic I want to tell you that the next week or maybe the video is not going to come, but because I'm having exams and during exams I can't upload the video, so maybe I cannot upload the video. So that is why maybe the video would not come the next whatever week. But after that, of course, video is going to come. Only maybe, I'm telling, maybe 1 week will miss. Okay. So guys, the real topic which I needed here is I wanted to tell you the story of my noob to pro, how I understood the game and how I played it. So guys, the first when I thought of installing this game, actually I didn't know. Actually, there is a app called Google Play. I was not downloading any apps, so I was just playing in those Google apps. So then I saw Free Fire is also there in try now in Google app. So then I remembered that Free Fire is a very good game, because before I was playing with my friend in my apartment, and that time I had actually um, left I left the apartment. So there, that is why again when I got it, I got it that this is the game which I was playing, and this game is very nice. So from that I got to know that this game is very nice, and I was playing this game with my friend. We can play duos and all. So then I told my mother that I will install this game, and I will not install any game till the next 5 years. This is the last game. So okay, they told, and then I installed the game. So when I installed the game, actually I did not have any knowledge about the game. So I had played it, but I did not have any knowledge, because it had morely happened around 1.5 years or something. 1.5 years, so that had been a big problem. I not understand the game, but not completely. Okay, so that time I first all I was playing classic. like why? Because I got to know that rank is also there, but I did not play it because I thought like in rank, yeah, it is actually true, but I got very scared and I was not at all playing rank. It became like that, like the rank will be very difficult, the enemies are very strong. I thought like that, but it's true. But I was thinking so much. Actually, not even that much it should be. So that is why I had just a little. I was not play. I did not play rank, and randomly one squad invite came to me. And like when they started, then I got to know that this I'm playing is rank game. And in that, of course, the first time only I got out, and in classic, I was just going to peak. Camping in peak. I was camping in peak. I want to tell, I was camping in peak. So just I did not like rank. I was when I got out, like a car, a whole squad was coming. I knew that I could not do it, but after the game started, then I got to know. So I could not leave the game. So I played the game that time. I understood even rank game is very nice. And then, but I did not play it. I'm telling now only I did not play it. Hacker. So then I so then I thought that come, let's play Clash Squad rank. So then I was a good player. I understood everything, and the most funniest thing is that time it was being going on an elite pass. I don't remember that name, elite pass. So the wasteland elite pass. So at that time, one enemy had killed me in classic with the same backpack and with the same dress of wasteland elite pass. So that time I would and again in the next game same enemy, like the same dress up enemy came, and I was thinking like, this enemy is only killing me every time. I should defeat this enemy. Like I was thinking like that. So then after that, yeah, I got a little pyro. So at that time, I played Clash Squad. I played Clash Squad. Like I too much played Clash Squad. Okay, so the Clash Squad what I played was I continuously about 2 to 3 months. I continuously played Clash Squad continuously without any break. I was playing Clash Squad. So that time, actually, I was near Diamond 3 or something in Clash Squad. So actually, I was very nice player over there in Clash Squad, and even now also am. But then it came the brick swinger mode. So come, let's try it a little different. So I just thought, and the mode I liked it. Then I again started playing rank game. So starting a little 2 games or something, I played about classic. Then I started complete rank. So guys, when I started complete rank, yeah, I was enjoying it too much, and I still now have not left it. I have not left the rank game. I'm both equally. I'm playing the Clash Squad and rank game. So yeah, I'm nice only in both. And then I was doing all. So then I was seeing tips and tricks of YouTube also. So I was doing, and all great YouTubers like John T Gaming and all. I was seeing, so John T Gaming. I was seeing the most John T, Fire Eyes, and I was seeing all those YouTubers. And then once I I now itself I understood the game completely, and when I understood the game, it was very fun for me, and it was like I would not install any other game other than this. Like this was the most funniest, the most enjoying, interesting game this was, and I don't think so. The most better game I would like, except Free Fire, is I don't think so. Nothing. Okay, so that was how I was my noob to pro story. So guys, now let us finish the gameplay video. Not a gameplay video, this is. I just wanted to tell a story, and yeah, another thing is that, yeah, main listen it again. Don't think like why the video is not coming. The next whatever, the next video in the week is not going to come. I have told it now only, guys. So with a headshot I finished the game. So I renamed it, and this is a cool dress actually. The helmet, the headphones are very cool. So I should stop it from up, I think. So guys, that's all for today's video. Bye bye.